My name is Mike Mermelli. I'm the general manager of Digital Impact. We specialize in corrugated POP packaging displays, wide format, purely digital, fully automatic operation since 2006. Digital Impact's customers is Flexo Trade. We service national accounts throughout the entire US, even so in Canada. The service we provide for our customer base is purely from start to finish. Print, cut, glue, ship, wrap, pack. We will drop ship to 10 locations. We can drop ship straight to a pack out facility, which the products will then be assembled and loaded and then drop shipped to the end users. In 2019, Digital Impact was at a crossroads with a bottleneck on our cutting situation. We then did extensive research between 4 or 5 companies, and basically at the end of the whole research process, Eltron was awarded the purchase in 2019. The Combo TAV has a multi-array of features that we were impressed with. The Seeker system underside camera was probably one of the most important features of this machine. This is a very important system that keeps everything registered with your product and also minimizes waste at the end of the day. The Combo TAV can cut corrugated between E-flute, B-flute, C-flute, and double wall, no problems. The Combo TAV is probably one of the most reliable die cutters I've owned in the past 16 years of doing this. The downtime, the tech time is virtually non-existent. Sure, you have your little tweaks here and there, but nothing dramatic. The Combo TAV is a very simple machine. Anybody can learn it. I've trained everybody in my shop. Pretty straightforward unit, nothing dramatic as far as learning curves go. The other key feature of this machine is the no-nick operation, and that is solved with their aero panel, which basically picks the entire sheet up and drops it safely onto another station on that machine. The partnership between Eltron and Digital Impact has been strong from day one. These guys have helped us grow dramatically over the past 6 years. We've already bought 2 machines from them and hopefully looking to buy a third pretty quickly with the growth of the industry.